I always used to wonder how people did that, like when they woke up in the video. And truly, you wake up, you set up the camera, then you get back into bed, set the alarm, and pretend to wake up again. Which is what I just did. But I'm still tired. But okay, so a couple days ago, I had an idea. And I've been obsessed with watching the transformation videos on YouTube lately, so I thought, what better video to make for my channel than a transformation video? And as you can see right now, we could use some work. So that is what we are doing today and tomorrow. My full transformation. I have a whole swag of appointments set, and hopefully we will go from this to something a little better. But okay, it is currently 7 a.m. because my first appointment is at 8, so I better get a move on. So let's get on with it. Oh my gosh, I actually probably should. So cool. Alright. That was probably the quickest get ready in the morning that I've ever done in my life. But okay, I gotta go because I have an eyelash appointment and I might be late, so I gotta go. It's so early, it's dark out, so I better keep my eyes on the road.
Okay, so here are my eyelashes beforehand, and as you can see, the woman who does my eyelashes has lots of really adorable pets, and they like to crawl all over me while I get my eyelashes done, and I do not mind one bit, as you can tell. I actually really like their company, so.
Alright, so there we go. Got the eyelashes on. Honestly, my eyelashes before weren't too bad, but I know that if I'm trying to look glam, I gotta have the eyelashes. So here they are. Afterwards, they're really fluttery. Eyelash extensions always look super weird with no makeup on. It just looks like way too much is going on. But I like them, and now we're on to the next appointment, which is nails. Here are my nails before. Honestly, they're not even that grown out. I did get them done for Hawaii, so they're not very holiday nails. So I'm gonna get something a little bit more in the holiday spirit.
Okay, so now I'm picking my nail polish color. Go ahead and comment down below right now what color you think it's gonna be. Hurry, you have like 10 seconds before, spoiler alert, it gets shown.
Here they are. Oh my goodness. First things first, usually I would get them cut a little bit shorter, but I kept them long for the sake of being extra glam. And I've never done red in my life, but I seriously love them. I think they're awesome for New Year's, so I really like them. But okay, now on to the next appointment. We have back-to-back appointments. I'm going to get a spray tan because you guys actually have been complimenting me a lot, my pale skin, but I personally really like being tan. So I'm gonna get a professional spray tan. You guys are probably like, hallelujah, because my tan won't be uneven, but we're gonna go there now. Okay, you guys, we are in to get glowed up. We're in to get tanned up. Here's where I go. I just got a quick rundown on what positions I'm supposed to do. I'm kind of nervous. I've never ever got a spray tan in my life. I always just fake tan with like mousses, so I'm really excited. I'm kind of scared. Okay, so position 1 is like this. Wait, like that. Okay, I think I get it. All right, I'm gonna declothe and get ready. My hand's too big for this.
Please face the nozzles and assume position A. Press the start button to begin your session. Your peer experience will begin in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, I actually might be hooked. Really? I really enjoyed it. Alright, I'm gonna put my clothes back on. Oh my gosh. That was seriously so funny, but honestly, I've never had a spray tan in my life and I feel like I might be a little bit addicted. So I know what you guys are wondering though. Mia, you don't look tan. So it's a developing tan, so by tomorrow morning I will be at full tan level, and I got medium, so probably a lot darker than this right now. I'm like a sheet of paper white. So we will see it for the grand reveal tomorrow, but that is all for today so far. Tomorrow morning I have a hair appointment and then makeup and outfit. Then we're gonna see how good the transformation was. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So, I am a lot darker than I was yesterday. As you can see, my tan has definitely developed. It's hard to show in this light. I have to rinse off the developer now. It's had enough time to develop on my skin, and now I can just smell it a lot. So I'm gonna rinse it off. Do I look more tan? Do I look less tan? I don't know. But I have a hair appointment coming up, so I gotta get ready. Okay, so I'm wearing the exact same thing as yesterday because I don't want to do any switches of outfits, possibly do a better outfit. So this is what I look like going to my hair appointment. I just put it in a bun. I didn't even brush it, so we'll see. Here we go. Here is the hair. Oh my goodness. I have not had my hair professionally done in, I don't know, like ever? Ever? I don't think I've ever gotten it done. But I love the way it looks. Plus the girl who did it was super, super nice. And she really took her time on it. And the curls look so good. I'm just praying that they don't flop, because sometimes my hair does that because it's really heavy and long. But for right now, in the meantime, I think we got some nice video of it looking good, so there's the proof. So now I'm head home to do my makeup because the makeup's gotta match the hair now. Or the makeup to the hair. So we gotta put some makeup on, basically. I'm just gonna be doing some makeup I would do a little extra than every day. Start off with eyebrows. So I'm gonna take the same palette, just the highlight. I'm gonna go a little cray-cray with this. Cray-cray? How long has it been since I said cray-cray? Something kind of shimmery on the lid, probably this. Use my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, precision eyeliner. It's like $2 or something. It's really amazing. All right, I'm gonna take my last drink so that I can put my lipstick on. All right, hair out. Let's see. Oh no, my hair's already starting to fall. We gotta have the grand reveal soon.
All right, so there is the finished makeup and hair, and the last thing we need is the outfit. And then we're complete. All right, outfit time. We're in the closet. I kind of have a rough idea of what I want to do. Also, before I left, my mom said my lips look like clown lips, so that means they're looking really good, so it's great. So I'm thinking black jeans, good old black jeans. These ones are actually from Forever 21. I got them in my Walmart versus Forever 21 video. They're actually amazing high-waisted pants. Like, I can't even believe it. They relate to my Topshop ones so easily. Compare. And then I'm thinking this bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing. It's got a really cute dip right there. I think that'll look good. And then, oh, shoes. Here's the shoes I'm thinking. I actually got them off Wish. Shh, don't tell anybody. We're trying to look expensive. I also have hoops from Forever 21. And then here is the statement piece. What? Excuse me. If you've never watched my trying to recreate designer items, I made a fake Gucci belt and it turned out really good. Really, just kidding, it turned out awful. But I have always loved the Gucci belt, specifically black with the gold buckle, but I have never, ever thought I would have it. Because I cannot stomach the price, I don't care if I had the money or not, I can't spend that on a belt. But Luke got it for me. So for Luke and I's 3-year anniversary, he actually got me this belt. He's actually crazy. I cannot even believe he did it. He shouldn't have. He really shouldn't have. But I did graciously accept. I think this video would be the perfect time to wear it because we're trying to catch eyes. People are gonna be really wondering about this belt. So this is the outfit. Let's get into it. My toilet, my literal toilet's in this shot. Hold on. All right, you guys, so here is the finished, completed look. What do you guys think? Head to toe makeover. Honestly, I really do like my outfit, but I'm not gonna lie, I have like the wedgie of a lifetime right now. I'm actually really happy with how my tan turned out. I don't think I've ever had a tan be this even in my life. My hands don't look messed up. Oh, and I forgot I even got my nails done. Love the red. Really, really like my outfit. I don't think it's too much, but it's definitely a lot. My hair has fallen quite a bit, but I still think it looks cute and definitely better than what I usually do. But okay, so that has been this head to toe makeover. I love watching these videos and I really hope that you guys liked watching this one. I had a lot of fun. It was a lot of work to glam this much though. Definitely not gonna do this on the daily. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you had a couple laughs and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to click the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos and I will see you there. Bye!